Welcome to Spark Solvers. Charge up your skill, power up your knowledge. Today's topic is polar form to rectangular form conversion using scientific calculator. In one of my lecture or video, I already show you how to convert polar form into rectangular form by using mathematical steps or math. Let's like E is equal to tan at an angle 30. So for rectangular form, we need cos component. So cos component represented by A and another is sine component. Sine component represented by B. So tan at an angle 30. Rectangular form of that is 8.66 plus J5. Now this we can convert directly by using Casio also. Using calculator, now we convert polar form into rectangular form. So for that we need rectangular. So in 82 ms Kelsey, first press shift, then press polar button. So it will give you rectangular. Now enter two values. Magnitude is 10, then comma, then enter phase angle 30, bracket close, and is equal to. So here the first value 8.66, it's nothing but it represent x component or cos component. Now then press RCL and this angle 10. So this will give you second value y component or sine component 5. So this is how we convert polar form into rectangular form by using calculator. Thank you. Thank you. Subscribe for more updates. And you can send your query on sparksolvers.community@gmail.com. For more notifications, press the bell icon. Thank you.